This is pretty nice. We robbed a bank, we got away, no sign of Batman. I think things are going pretty well today. Don't even think about Batman. Who cares? He'll never catch up with us. Yeah, true. I don't know. You never know. Batman has that annoying habit of spoiling our fun at the last minute. True. He's the last thing we gotta worry about right now. I think not. Huh? Speak of the devil. What? He caught up? Yep, unfortunately. Don't worry, we can handle him. Look, there's a gate coming up. If we just shoot it closed after we pass it, Batman won't be able to get through and won't be able to get us. Perfect. You blew it open. Well, what are we gonna do now? I don't know. You destroyed my opponent's car, and now I'll destroy your car. Nice try, but my car's 100% bulletproof. 100%. It's over, Two-Face. Yes, Batman, it very much is for you.